So on day 3 we decided to visit Panjim, that is capital of Goa. So first we went to Church of Our Lady Immaculate Conception situated in Panji. Now this church is among the oldest church in Goa. It has an elegant outer structure with a double flight of symmetrical stairs. It's very beautiful. This church also has the second largest bell in Goa. Now thousands of people gather here on the day of the fest that falls on 8th December, when the whole church is decorated with colorful lights and large fairs are held to celebrate the occasion. We also did shopping opposite the church. There's a lane and you can find many beautiful bags, purses or jewelries there, and we did a lot of shopping there. Do watch my shopping video which I'm gonna upload next Saturday. Decided to go to Fontanas and do a heritage walk there. So finally we are here in Fontanas and it took us 30 minutes from Ashwin to reach here. Also this is a residential area, so please don't talk loudly and disturb the locals, otherwise you can enjoy taking photos and videos. Fontanas is an old Latin quarter. It has influence of Portuguese architecture like those found in European countries. Houses there were built in between 17th to 18th centuries in Portuguese architecture style. The color of the houses are so vibrant and it lifts your mood quickly. There are also some walls with graffiti artwork. You can see small beautiful balconies which are so beautiful and pretty. Now you can notice a rooster on the top of the houses. In Portugal, it is a symbol of good luck, so you can find roosters on top of the every Portugal houses. Also, here's a fact: to maintain its historical architecture, government has made a rule that before doing any renovation or repairing to these houses, the house owner has to take special permission from government. Also, the plantations are so beautifully done. They have maintained this whole area very beautifully. Different types of plants have used for decorating these houses. Many art galleries you can find in Fontanas and visit with their beautiful arts and structures. In Fontanas area, there's also a old temple located at the top of the hill. So this temple is dedicated to Lord Hanuman. As of now it is closed due to COVID, but we can visit here later when things are back to normal. So I hope you found this video informative. Do hit that like button and share it with your friends and family. We'll meet you next Friday. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.